you know, up in Washington riding. We had a house with a little track up on the side of this hill, and we would just ride. I don't know if I ever went to the daycare. My dad was pretty good at racing. My grandpa's always loved to race anything. Me and my brother are the only ones that have really, we kind of took it to that next level. I don't feel like I left anything on the table when it comes to racing. I won the championships, I've won a ton of races. You know, I'm still very active inside the industry, but just not lining up behind the gate professionally. Regret-wise, or what I would change, would be to try to have a little more fun. Now, if you come across me, you know, the stress of racing isn't there. I'm just cruising and chilling, and probably maybe nicer, a lot nicer than what you've seen, or if you've met me personally. Answer was looking to do, you know, some really cool things in the future, and that fit me. Riding to me now is just more mellow and you know, not conform to one thing. Just, you know, go out, ride trails, and come back when you're out of fuel. Sit down, have a campfire, have some beers. And that's not necessarily that Answer doesn't want to win championships. That is a box that needs to be checked over there, you know, but I fit a different box to check, and I guess that box says cool shit on it, you know, and that's the box that we need to check. I'm Ryan Villapoto, and I ride because it's the only thing that I know.